In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use Sketchpad, a versatile digital drawing tool easily accessible through Google. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google's homepage. Google is a reliable search engine that will help us access Sketchpad with ease. Once you're on Google's main page, you'll want to type the following URL into the search bar: https://sketchpad.app. This link will direct us straight to Sketchpad, a user-friendly platform designed for all your drawing and digital art needs. After hitting the search button, you'll see a list of results. Look for the link that says Sketchpad, Draw, Create, Share, and click on it. This will take you to the Sketchpad application's homepage. The layout is minimalistic and intuitive, making it easy even for beginners to start creating right away. Now that you are on the Sketchpad website, the first thing you will likely notice is the range of tools available to you. But today we're focusing on two main functions: cropping and resizing your artwork. After creating or uploading your work, look for the crop tool. It's typically symbolized by a small rectangular icon amid the toolbar. Clicking on it will allow you to select the portion of your art that you wish to keep, effortlessly trimming away areas you don't need. Once you've got your artwork cropped to perfection, the next step is resizing. Resizing is important if you need your drawing in specific dimensions, whether it's for print or web use. On the same toolbar where you found the crop tool, you should see an option for resizing. Selecting this tool will open up a dialog box where you can enter new dimensions for your artwork. Pay attention to the aspect ratio if you want to maintain the proportionality of your image. There's usually an option to lock this feature to help. And there you have it. You've learned how to access Sketchpad via Google, and from there you mastered cropping and resizing your digital art. These basic but powerful skills are essential for any budding digital artist or anyone looking to refine their graphical work. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time exploring the various other tools Sketchpad has to offer. There's so much more to discover, from brush types to colors and textures. As you grow more comfortable with the platform, you'll find that your creativity knows no bounds. Thank you for following along, and happy drawing.